Hello students, today we want to talk about how to beautify a research topic. Previously we have discussed that you will select your research domain and you have made a rough draft of your research topic, and now at this stage we are going to beautify that topic. We'll discuss this issue in detail. How can we transfer a common title or a common research topic into a beautiful title? Beauty is very subjective type of phenomena. Maybe one thing or one person is beautiful in one person's eyes, while the same person is not beautiful in another person's eyes. First of all, we'll go into our past. That there is a Greek goddess Aphrodite. You can look at the picture. This is the symbol of beauty. This is the goddess of beauty in Greek mythology. And this picture is Venus picture, and this is Roman goddess of beauty. Some people say that beauty is symmetry, that everything is in best proportion, that is beauty. And John Keats says beauty is truth and truth is beauty. Shakespeare has also mentioned that brevity is the soul of wit. Brevity means preciseness, short, terse. That thing is beauty, which is very short, precise, concise. If we look into the terms of standard in research, what is standard? Usually, it is said that a research topic should have 13 words, excluding a preposition and article, or there must be the action which you are going to do. Some use the theory reference in the title, or some use the output, that what will you get out of this research, they mention in the title, and then they use colon, and then they mention the domain of that research. For instance, unveiling knowledge patterns from intermediate English textbooks through beyond text mining tools, colon, a digital humanities study. A digital humanities study is the domain. Okay. And what we are searching for knowledge patterns. Fashionable, the topic must be fashionable. Fashionable mean which is in trend, which is being liked by many people. Most read. I will share with you some research journals repositories, and we can find out the most read articles and the most cited articles. Obviously, that research paper or that title is very beautiful, which is most read or which is most cited one. Okay, how can we beautify our topic with Google Books? Google Books titles are very beautiful, so we can modify our title with the help of Google Books. You can also take titles from classical books, and you can modify them. And like there is a novel Triple Mirror, you can use one scholar has used it in his research. There are best-selling books like Awaken the Giant Within You, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. You can use such titles and modify those titles, and you can make them your own titles. I give you some examples. For instance, we search Google. Okay, internet is very slow. Oh, here is Google. Suppose I write textbook analysis. Okay, here look at a very important thing, that how can you find out Google Books. Here is more, click on more. Here you will find books. Look at. Now, critical analysis of science textbooks, introducing to real analysis, mathematical analysis, world of written discourse, a genre based view. You can find out different titles which have used these words: textbook analysis, Bayesian data analysis. Okay, you can use textbooks of pediatric rheumatology ebook. This is also a good title. So you can read different titles of books and they will help you to beautify your title. You can also link best-selling books and classical books with your research. Use Google Scholars for refining your research topic, for beautifying your topic. For instance, come here. This is Google Scholar. Here you will write, suppose, the textbook analysis. You will find that what type of research papers are being written, a framework for textbook analysis, and there is designing tool for history textbook analysis. You will find different topics. Here you will also find that this article has been cited by 109. So this is an important research paper. This research paper has been cited by 37 times. So you will find out that what is the worth of one research paper. If its citations are higher, it means this is more valuable. Okay, there are journal repositories. Tyler and Francis, you can also use these repositories. I share with you its titles, and you can use them for improving your research. You can just copy them. Suppose I show you. Here is Tyler and Francis. You write here textbook analysis. You will find different articles which are related with textbook analysis. You will find them. In the same way, there is a Sage journals. You can write here your topic or your domain. You can find out different research topics which will help you to understand your work, like multimodality in critical language textbook analysis. This can be a beautiful title. There can be some other analyzing the theme of pollution in Portuguese geography and biology textbooks. So there are different types of research papers are there. Another reason for selecting all this is that they are free. You can publish your journals in these Tyler and Francis and Sage journals. Another is ProQuest to search relevant theses. ProQuest is a database. Here you can find out books, videos, audios, theses on one topic. You will explore certain theses and you can modify your thesis topic. Another very important tool is that use uh, some thesaurus. Thesaurus mean um synonyms. You can find some beautiful word. Suppose there is a word analysis or evaluation. Should I write the word analysis? No. I can find out the word appraisal, or I can find out this is the online thesaurus. This is very interesting and very knowledgeable thesaurus that you can find small words or longer words according to your needs. You should find new, complex, longer, and beautiful words in your title. There is Oxford Thesaurus, Penguin Thesaurus. There is a Microsoft Word Thesaurus. You can just select any word, just click right on and you will find a synonym and you can change the word. So, word selection must be very beautiful, bombastic in your research title. I give you some small examples. Analysis of five great books. This is very simple, absurd topic, not beautiful topic. How can I beautify it? Decoding gender biases with Sadkar's lens, a textbook appraisal. This is a beautiful topic. Second, finding themes of Hinduism from textbooks. This is not a beautiful topic. Textbooks on Hinduism defining an ocean described from myriad shores. This is a very beautiful and classical type of topic. Another, design a course for bloggers as ESP. This is not a beautiful topic. Formulating a writing course for bloggers, colon, an ESP study. This is a beautiful and advanced topic. Effects of academic games on ESL level learners' speaking and listening skills. Remember, there should not be any full stop in the end of any title because title is not a sentence. Exploring digital culture from video games, a digital humanities study. This is a beautiful topic. Red colored topics are absurd topics. Green colored topics are beautiful topics. Study of metaphors from CPEC text. This is not a beautiful topic. Look at the beautiful topic. A Trojan horse, a game changer, a silver bullet, and whatnot. A study of metaphors in the discourse of China Pakistan economic corridor. Uh, this research paper has been published. So, this picture is the picture of Trojan horse. When when in ancient era, when they attacked any country in Trojan wars, they used such Trojan horse, and it means that they have entered the horse. I hope these examples will help you to beautify your research topic. Best wishes. Thank you so much.